Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're facing the issue when your TCL Smart TV is not responding to the remote. It's frustrating, but I'll guide you through the base methods to get control back quickly. First, check the batteries in your remote. Weak or dead batteries are the most common cause. Swap them with the fresh ones and try again. If that doesn't work, try erasing the remote by removing the batteries, pressing all the buttons for about 10 seconds, then reinserting the batteries and testing it. Make sure there's nothing block the infrared sensor on your TV or remote. Also, check if you're within range. Some remotes need to be pointed directly at the TV. For Roku TCL TVs, you can also try rebranding the remote. To do this, press and hold the press button inside the battery compartment about like 5 seconds until the remote light flashes. Your TV should recognize it shortly after. If your remote supports it, use the Roku mobile app or Google TV apps as a temporary remote from your phone while troubleshooting. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to fix your TCL remote issues, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.